All right, boys, today's video, I got my first restoration video ever. Today we're gonna be restoring this Othello pocket knife right here. It does have a broken lock, so it doesn't lock, as you see. Not sure if we're gonna fix that, but we're gonna make it look prettier, that's for sure. First thing we're gonna do is wash this up. First step, soap and water. Dirty as shit, nasty as shit, dirty as fuck. Try this at home, kids, try it. Guys, my brother's being such a dickhead not wanting to help me right now. He's over here trying to restore this knife, which I didn't even give him permission to. He just went ahead and did it. Everything up. But right now we about to sandpaper this end right here with, I don't know, this grit right here. I might do this one, but I think I'm just gonna do this one. I think it was already doing good. I already started a little bit right here. You already see a little bit more of a shine, but just know, get a little before. Oh, this is better. It's okay, it's okay. Alright guys, first phase is done. Half side. Already got a major difference because look at this side. Hit a little bit with that 1500 grit. This is this side, hasn't been hit at all. I think it did get rid of some of the big old scratches on this side because it looks a lot cleaner. You can actually see this little word right here now. I still don't know what it says. Rosfell, I don't know. But there's the Othello logo. And I'm thinking I'm gonna hit this with like some wood. What's it called? It's called wood finisher, or maybe some glaze to have this glazed up. And who knows? Maybe I'll ask for some advice on how to fix this for somebody else. Sandpapering stage is done. I done sanded both sides, and now I think I'm about to hit it with this. This I'll be using on my wheels. This Eagle Never Dual to clean it up even more. And then after that, I'm gonna hit it with some polish of Mother's Magnum and aluminum polish right here that I also use on my wheels. And I think this bad boy gonna be shining. And then we're gonna focus on the wood. I'm gonna go out to my shop and see if we can find any nice little wood glaze or some shit. That Never Dual went to work. This almost got a mirror shine. Do you guys remember how this looked? I kind of didn't even give you guys a really good look at the beginning, but I've only hit this bottom part with the Never Dual, and bro, it's like almost a mirror shine. Like I haven't hit this upper side, and you can see a major difference. My brother keeps telling me to put coconut oil on these handles, and it's gonna make the wood shine and look way brighter, because I don't like how dark it's looking, and I feel like if I put something on it, it's gonna, a different type of finish, is gonna bring it, the bright colors out of it. But right now I'm about to hand polish this with this Magnum aluminum polish right here, and this little rag. Get it. Let's see if we can make it shine a little bit more. It's already looking really nice from where it started.
Hey guys, so today we're going to be explaining how cool this knife is. So I just I put a bunch of sandpaper and chemicals on it, and now look at how cute it is. Wow guys, I'm gonna go circumcise myself with this. I'll see you guys later.
Got my grandma helping me now. Goten recommended we put some of this coconut oil on the wood, and he says it's gonna look way better, because I don't like how dark it's looking.
Yeah, it's gonna make it darker.
Oh well, if it makes it look better, then it's good.
What it does is it preserves the wood. Just watch.
I wish it wouldn't. The lock wasn't broken. It's a nice knife, though.
Mm-hmm. Looks like one Daddy used to carry.
Guys, look at the beauty that came out, man. I honestly can't even tell you how much I paid at the thrift store because I forgot. I think it was like $1, $2, $4 at max. But man, this Othello brand, and then I figured out what that word is. It's Rost Frey. The word is Rost Frey. And yeah, man, this is gonna be the final product. I think I'm gonna head back to my house right now. But dude, I actually really love this knife. Like I said, only bad thing is the lock is broken on this thing. So it doesn't, you know, look, I can just push it down without having to push this back button. But dude, this is one beautiful knife. I can't believe it turned out like this from where what it originally looked like. If you guys enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section down below. Drop a like if you did. Hey, I really appreciate anybody who stayed and watched all the way to the end. If you want more videos like this, let me know in the comment section down below. I'm a huge knife collector, as well as my little brother. We've always been into knives. And so yeah, I have a lot of them. And this is just a really, really cool one that I found at thrift store today that I wanted to keep. And I was just like, man, I definitely can make this look way prettier. And dude, it's a whole completely new knife than what it originally was. I definitely did take a before picture, so you should have seen those throughout the video. I'll pop it up again, and man, I'm really happy. I am gonna try to get it fixed, and if I do that, there will be a part 2 to restoring this knife. That video was filmed over a year ago. Here's the knife today. It's still looking pretty well, but it's not as shiny as it was that day. I'm noticing it now that I'm looking at it. But as you can tell, I've lost a lot of weight, bro. I was looking mad fat in that video. That's actually crazy. But yo, if you enjoyed the restoration video, please drop a like. I'm trying to be more active on this YouTube channel. Thank you so much for 14,000 subscribers, man. I can't believe it, bro. Dude, the channel's growing crazy, bro. I'm already envisioning that 100K plaque, bro. Oh my goodness. I can envision that 100K plaque in my hands already. Like, I'm not even lying. So be on the lookout for that video, man. 100K plaque video coming really soon. I'm telling you guys, bro. Appreciate everybody who stopped by today to watch the video. Drop a like. Go add me on my social medias. Hey, follow me on my new Instagram. My old one got disabled, bro. Your boys, bro, I swear, I'm always getting deleted off of something, getting banned off of somewhere, bro. Like, bro, I'm currently banned off of Depop, the selling platform right now, bro. It's such an L. That's like my biggest L getting banned right now because you cannot make it. They got me IP banned. I got banned off the TikTok shop, bro. I was literally making so much good money on the TikTok shop selling items, but now I got banned off of that. So now I'm trying to grow a new, bro, follow my new TikTok. My new TikTok is obs.nano. My new Instagram is nanoy2k. They're all gonna be on screen, bro, so go, and they're gonna be linked in the description below as well. So appreciate anybody who shows support. Hey, it's been your boy Nano. Drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe if you're new. There's definitely gonna be more restoration videos in the future. I just gotta find some more crappy knives to restore. It's been your boy Nano.
Life moving fast, that's why I sip slow. Used to wake up every morning, jamming Big Mo. That's when I was a little nigga, couldn't wait till I got a little bigger. Had a rap floor and shirt on, cause favorite song said fuck Hill Figure. You know how that go, I let them know.